We're here today looking at the Donner Party Park. Some of you probably know what the Donner Party was. It was a party of pioneers headed to California that perished. They got a little plaque over here. We'll go read it. Not a very big park. Let's see what this plaque has to say about it. This was the immigrant Donner Camp. Upon entering the Truckee Meadows along the Truckee River, thousands of California-bound immigrants turned their wagons southwest to avoid extensive marshes and uncrossable sloughs. Here at the base of the Rattlesnake Mountain, the immigrants established a campground which extended nearly 2 miles to the east and west, 1/2 mile north and south. Numerous local springs furnished quality water, and the protected location of the camp provided ideal location for a rest stop after hundreds of grueling miles spent traversing the Humboldt River Valley. Once rested, the immigrants turned west to face their major obstacle, the Sierra Nevada. In October 1846, the ill-fated Donner Party spent 5 days in this area and grazing their wary animals, plagued by a series of unfortunate incidents. One member of the party, William Pike, was actually shot, died, and was buried in the vicinity. State Historical Marker number 253. So it looks like they built a lot of houses here. This is the signs that they've posted along the immigrant trail. This is marker number TRR 13. Immigrants, including Donner Party, camped here in this rest area to refresh their stock. I think they've have done this all along the trail to mark out the original immigrant trail, at least in this general area. There's something other sign over here. It's probably just a park sign. Looks like they kind of left some of it how it looked originally. Oh, we got a little blue jay. He's probably one of those metal blue jays. Yeah, park rules and regulations, so we're not too interested in reading all that. Well, this was a quick view of the park. If you enjoyed this walk in the park today, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for joining us at the Donner Party Park, excuse me. There's the sign again. I got it right. Donner Party Park. Thanks for stopping in.